Steve here, welcome to West Green. Here's my A4, my Finney A4 I'm building, and I built the cab. It says to put these pieces on first and also the spectacle plate window, then fold it. Well, I won't be doing that again because you find that here, when you try and fold it, the spectacle plate and this, they foul each other, and I had to chamfer the edge down, which is okay, except I'd already put all the parts on first, especially the spectacle plate windows, and I sort of mutilated them a bit, but I've managed to fix them up. So, how this fits, and it fits very well. In fact, I read an article once, I don't know how old it was, but it was by Tim Watson from the Model Railway Club of North London, Copenhagen Fields and all that. He built one of these, and he said when you put it together, you can almost feel the air push out the gap. And he's right, it just fits so well. So, but anyway, how this fits, there are 4 holes in the V. And when you mark that, so then you mark up these little holes there, and you drill holes in there, and Finney provides 4 self-tapping screws. Oh, there's always something goes wrong with me, isn't there? Rather like the bottom here, there's self-tappers. Hand out of the way. So, and there's also 2 nuts here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread epoxy on here, and I want it to go close to the edge so that it squeezes out a bit, gives a nice little seal it all up. And I'm going to screw it down, but I'm also going to put some solder paste on there. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. So that's the next thing, is to get this in place. Screw through there, and with solder paste on that, I can solder from the outside. That's the plan. So it's my Araldite, very important. Use 5-minute Araldite, because you want to leave it for about 10 minutes. It will skin over, and it goes plastic, and you can peel it all off with a craft knife, what spews out. So this has gone pretty hard. Probably leave it a few more minutes. But you can see how it's spewed out around the side. Well, that's okay. The craft knife will get it off, and it will give you a neat seal. So it acts like a filler. That's a trick I got learnt from Tony Wright when he putting chimneys on. Only he said the reason you put chimneys on with white metal, with Araldite, is you can get it. You've got time to adjust it and get it right. And when it skins off, you just go around the around the saddle, and away you go. I've put these screws in, bolts. I haven't soldered that in yet. I'll do that soon. Pardon me. Let's see. I'll get this all off. flux maybe, just to draw it back. Here we go. Give it a clean up and we'll see what it looks like. Oh, so there you go. I've put the cab on. It's soldered to the bottom. I use solder paste. I put it on first, then a hot iron, and it seemed to draw in underneath. I've cleaned it all up. It's as you can see, screwed in at the back, and it's glued. And I've got the 2 bolts in the floor, which I put in just for the purpose of really holding it nice and tight whilst I soldered up. So I'm pretty pleased with it. And how big is it compared with my scratch built, not that I scratch built it, Pug. It's another job I've got to finish. Anyway, I'm going to get there. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment, give me a like and subscribe, please.